Hi guys, so I'm doing a monthly favorite video. This is the March favorites video, and I actually realized I haven't done a favorites video for 2012 yet, so this is my first one. And I'm just gonna keep it short and simple because that's just how I like to do things. And onto makeup products, which these are not recently bought. These are from I bought them last year, and I think the ending of last year actually. And I actually have started to really use them, so I found out that I have actually liked them. So products I've been loving is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Liquid Foundation, and then I've been loving the Maybelline Superstay Makeup Foundation. And I've been mixing these two to get the perfect balance color. This is actually in pure beige, and this is in classic ivory, and together I love it. And then my favorite setting powder or face powder, because sometimes I use this powder just on its own. Whenever a day I don't want to put liquid foundation, I'll just put my moisturizer and a primer and put, just put it all over powder. And I've been loving the Maybelline Dream Matte Powder, and this is in Sand Medium. And I actually heard rumor that this is discontinued. Would you guys let me know if this is discontinued? And this is a Maybelline Dream Matte Powder, because that would suck. But I really love this powder. I have skin that's on the oily side, so I love using products that help mattify my skin for all day. And this I love. And then you gotta have your oil sheets, and oil sheets are a favorite all time for me. Okay, so that's it. No, that's it for face makeup. And then for eye makeup, I've been loving two mascaras for the month of March. They are the Rimmel London Glam Eyes Mascara, and it just looks like this, and this is in black. It's just the plastic rubber bristle instead of the plastic like this. This is how usually a mascara wand is. This one's like a rubber bristle kind of material, or the way they made it. And then I've been loving the Glam Eyes Lash Flirt, which is the same line, it's just a different type, and it's the same kind of brush. And this one is in Coal Black. So I've been loving these two mascaras together, love them. That's it for makeup. Next thing is one hair product I want to share with you guys, and I think I have shared this product with you in a previous favorites video or something, maybe last year, because I actually found out about this product last year, and I've been using it and I love it. And it's super cheap, you guys. It's the Dove Nourishing Oil Care Leave-In Smoothing Cream. Love it. If you have damaged hair, and my hair got damaged because of the time that I bleached it blonde and I did all that coloring, so my hair is on the damaged side, and so this product really helps make it manageable. So basically you can put this on after you wash your hair, or even on a day that you didn't wash your hair and they're kind of frizzy or brittle, rough. You just put a little bit, like that and like that, and it's a wonderful product. This product's not even $5, you guys. Seriously, pick this up. And okay, so two face products for cleaning. I picked up the L'Oreal Go 360 Deep Cream Cleanser. And the reason why I picked this up was because I used up my very first one, which is the one that's orange and has the scrubbing beads in it. So I used that one up, so I picked this one up just to try out another type. And I love this. This has a tingly sensation, a cooling sensation when you're actually washing your face with this. This is about, what was it, under $8, $6, something like that. And then at Walmart, actually all these two products, these came from Walmart, but you can find them anywhere. At Walmart though, I finally found this, which you guys probably heard a lot about this, and everyone's been raving about this, and I was on the hunt for it, so I finally found it this month, and I've been using it. But the first experience, my first feeling about this is I love it, but I'm gonna need another month to see if it actually does something with my skin, because I actually found this in the middle of March, so 2 weeks is not enough time to really get a feel of if it actually does something to my skin. But cleaning wise and like as a face mask, love it. Okay, so, and this was not even $3 at Walmart. And then also, I've been loving face sheet masks. Like these are the ones that are, when you open this up, I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to waste the product. They're basically like a cloth. This is a dirty. This is like a cloth, like the face cleansing sheets that we wipe with our makeup off. It's kind of like that material, and it's cut out like a mask. It's got the eyes cut out, the mouth cut out, and the product, it's like wet. It's drenched into the sheet, and you just put it on your face and leave it on for 30 minutes, and then that's it. You don't wash it off because it's a treatment. And I seen these at my Asian store, or Asian store near our place, and they had a bunch of like different flavors or scents or treatments. They had the charcoal, you know, cucumber, they have royal jelly, potato, pearl, pomegranates. And so I decided to just pick up a bunch of these because they were only 99 cents. And that's pretty super cheap. So if you guys see these at your like international store or Asian store, yeah, I'll just try these out. These are fun and they're 99 cents. And can't really tell you if they do something for my face, but they're fun. You know, they're fun to use, you know. Okay, and then that's it for the cleaning products kind of thing. Okay, this perfume I actually got gifted by my BFF Natalie. She actually gave this to me like December, and I didn't really use it until now. And this is actually this Eternal Magic. This is from Avon. I'm not sure how much it costs or anything. It's just, it's a purple liquid or purple perfume. It's small, and the cap just looks like that, very simple. And I know that this came from Avon, but I don't know how much it costs, so check your Avon rep. You know, this is called Eternal Magic, and this smells very glamorous, like sweet, like a hint of floral, but it's just like, it smells so pretty, like glamour pretty, that's vintage pretty. I don't know, like that's how it smells. Like I love this scent. This has been my March scent, and I love this. So yeah, Eternal Magic from Avon, gifted by my BFF, so I don't know how much it costs. And then so on to accessories. My favorite new accessories for the month that I found, and I've just been crazy like wearing it all the time, have been these little Hello Kitty like fashion glasses that I found. Actually came from eBay. I'll link this in the info box, so you guys, if you guys want to buy it, you don't have to search. I'll have it there for you guys. So this is the white with the red bow. It just looks like that. And I think I picked these up for like under $3 or $2 something, free shipping. This is the black with the red. And they're just fun and, you know, cute. Hello Kitty's always cute. And this is like the animal printed. And it has like little whiskers there. But yeah, these are under $3 each. And yeah, I'll link the seller, the information in the info box, so you guys can just, you know, if you guys are interested in buying these fun little Hello Kitty fashion glasses, you know, it'll be there. So check the info box. And there's no lenses, so that just want to let you guys know that when you buy this, there's no lens. It's been, you know, taken out already. Okay, that's it for that. And the last item that I want to share with you guys is food related, and it is the Oreo Happy Birthday flavor, like birthday cake flavored cream filling. And yeah, I love this. This was like $2.50 at the commissary. Yeah, you guys probably heard already that Oreo had their 100th birthday celebration. Like, I really can't believe that they were established 1912 and 2012. That's 100 years. Can you believe that? Like, Oreo has been like a #1 cookie, you know, our all-time favorite cookie. Like, this is so good. The birthday cake filling though is super sweet, so I don't really indulge too much on it. Like one and two cookies is good enough, because the birthday cake is so sweet. That's just something about that, but it's really good. I just can't indulge too much on it because it's sweet. It's very sweet. But yeah, the birthday cake Oreo, if you guys haven't seen this, I'm pretty sure they have different designs, but this one is like this. If you haven't seen these, if you're an Oreo lover, go try to, you know, check it out at your store. And yeah, but that's it for my March favorites, just some random March videos or favorites. And oh, see the little necklace that I hauled for you guys in the last video? I'm actually wearing it to show how it looks. I love this necklace. And yeah, this is like a wig, you guys. For some reason I always have to tell you guys that I'm wearing a wig. Also, wigs have been like my new addiction, or my new yeah, I guess you could say addiction for the month of March, or basically 2012. And this is my Emma wig. Let me know if you guys want me to do a wigs video, like to share with you guys the wigs that I have been like finding and buying. All of it's from eBay, super cheap. But this is the Emma wig. I love it. It's cute. But wigs are so fun. But anyways, I am like rambling now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Leave your comments, your questions, or anything, you know, down below. And I guess I'm just gonna end here, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Okay, bye. Have a wonderful weekend, okay, guys? And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.